Hi, so this is my new lathe. It's a Taiwanese Microweily TY2500. The 2500 stands for the maximum RPM the spindle can rotate. As you can see, it needs a little bit of TLC. I cleaned a little bit of it so far, but it needs a lot more. You can see in the bed castings, it's still got some old coolant and so on. But in general, it's a decent lathe. It's from 1995. It's been used until 2006-8, and then it been in storage until 2020. It came from the same place or factory as my Inters mill, and it was also very dirty when I got it. So I spent some hours cleaning it all up, and the result speaks for itself. It's actually in very good condition, and so is this lathe as well. The reason why I got it compared to my cold chesters, because the two cold chesters were almost the same size. I thought it was a little bit overkill to have two lathes, so I sold them and got this instead. It has a longer bed, it has a bigger ball, it has bigger swing, and it's of course a newer lathe, and it's not been used so much, and it's more quiet. It runs relatively quiet. It has 3 speeds and also a VFD, so you have a lot of gear areas, so to say, and you can of course adjust the speed while you are using the lathe, so that's a big plus. The only downside is that the motor and the VFD make some noise due to the hertz being changed. So that's very normal. When you change the hertz of an electric motor, it will change sound, and in some frequencies it will have like a singing or high frequency sound to it. But I have to settle with that. But now I will continue to wash it down from the old coolant. One of the best ways to remove old coolant is by using coolant. So what I'm gonna do next, I want to empty the coolant compartment and put some new coolant in and let the pump overflow the castings and try to make the old coolant being able to wash it off. This lathe has something I never seen before on a lathe. It has of course a coolant tank, but it has a drain. All the other lathes I have or used through time, you need to suck the coolant out of the tank. But here you can remove the plug and let it drain itself. I will add a valve so I can easily drain it from time to time. this lathe has some auto feed stopping mechanism, some knobs that are, when the apron is reaching them, they will push to the feed handle and disengage the feed, the power feed. But I don't want to use that, and I think it's in the way when you want to remove the chips, so I want to remove it.